When you search for the best low-profile bait cast fishing reels, it all looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to really find the one that's going to improve your fishing game, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Cast King Royale Legend II. The Cast King Royale Legend II baitcasting reel caught my eye with its sleek design and competitive price of $52.36. What stands out is its promise of comfort and performance. If you want something that feels good in your hand and helps you cast for hours, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Royale Legend II features a compact design that makes it comfortable even after long days of fishing. It has a powerful 17.6 lb carbon fiber drag, which means it can handle big catches without breaking a sweat. Plus, its dynamic 8-button magnetic braking system minimizes overruns and backlashes, making every cast count. I mean, who wants to spend their day untangling lines? With over 300 units sold in the past month, it's clear others are loving this reel too. Now, some people complained about the weight being a little heavier than they expected. Here's the thing though, if you're used to light reels, it might take some getting used to, but the performance you get in return is definitely worth it. It's sturdy and built to last. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable reel that won't wear you out on a long fishing trip. Skip this one if you need an ultralight option, but for the price, it's fantastic value. Now, if the Royale Legend II's weight worried you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your needs. Product number 2, Cast King Spartacus II. Next up is the Cast King Spartacus II, which is priced at $60.70. This reel grabbed my attention with its ultralight design weighing only 6 ounces. If you're after a lighter setup without sacrificing power, this one is definitely worth considering. Let's break it down. The Spartacus II features a low profile of just 39, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. With a 7:1 gear ratio, it offers quick line retrieval, perfect for those fast fish. The 17.6 lb drag power is impressive, ensuring you have a good fight on your hands if you hook something big. Plus, the single-button magnetic braking system is efficient, reducing the chances of frustrating backlashes. I love how it combines performance and comfort, and it's no wonder over 300 have been sold recently. Now, some users had issues with the drag system feeling slightly stiff at first. Here's the thing, it usually loosens up after a bit of use, so don't let that discourage you. It's a minor hiccup for an otherwise strong performer. This reel is perfect for you if you prioritize weight and comfort in your fishing gear. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional feel, but for a lightweight option, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for casting distance. Product number 3, Cast King Centron Lite. The Cast King Centron Lite baitcasting reel comes in at just $39.45, making it one of the more budget-friendly options here. What caught my attention is its lightweight design, weighing only 7.6 ounces. If you want something that won't weigh you down while casting, this is worth a serious look. It features a 15.4 lb drag capacity, which makes it versatile enough for various fishing conditions. The 5+1 ball bearing system ensures smooth operation, and its 10 magnet braking system gives you better line control while casting. It's popular with over 100 units sold recently, which speaks volumes about its performance. Now, I did notice some complaints about the handle being a bit small for larger hands. But here's the deal, if you have average-sized hands, you should be perfectly fine. Plus, the lightweight nature can often outweigh this minor concern. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget option that still performs well. Skip this if you have larger hands and need more grip, but for the price point, it's hard to beat. Now, if the size of the Centron Lite's handle was a concern, the next product offers a much sturdier feel. Product number 4, Cast King Royale Legend II Left Hand. Next up is another variant of the Cast King Royale Legend II, this time for left-handed anglers, priced similarly at $52.36. It's almost identical to the right-hand model, but if you're a lefty looking for quality, this is definitely worth a look. What's impressive here is that it shares all the same features that make the right-handed version a hit. With a strong 17.6 lb drag and that amazing 8-magnet braking system, it helps you cast accurately without worrying about backlashes. The compact design makes it comfortable for all-day use. It's designed to enhance performance and reliability. With great reviews and positive feedback from over 100 buyers recently, it's clearly a favorite. Some users found the side cover release a bit tricky at first. So it's really a matter of adjusting to the design rather than a major flaw. This is perfect for you if you're a left-handed fisherman looking for a reliable, high-performance reel. Skip this if you're right-handed, but for lefties, it's a great deal. Now, if you're still looking for something more affordable, the next product could catch your interest. Product number 5, Cast King Brutus. Finally, we have the Cast King Brutus, which is priced at $40.97. This reel caught my attention with its solid build and low price point. If you're looking for something reliable without breaking the bank, this one is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you. The Brutus features a lightweight graphite frame and side plates, giving it a good balance of strength and weight. With a 17.6 lb drag and a 7:1 gear ratio, it's ready for whatever comes your way. The 10-button magnetic braking system is an excellent addition, helping to prevent overruns and improving your casting experience. Plus, it's been bought by over 100 anglers recently, indicating its popularity. Now, some users pointed out that the drag can feel a bit stiff initially. But here's my perspective. This is pretty common with new reels and usually breaks in with use, making it a minor concern in the grand scheme. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable reel that still delivers quality performance. Skip this if you're looking for something ultralight, but for the price, you get great value. To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 great low-profile bait casting reels. The Cast King Royale Legend II offers comfort and power, while the Spartacus II gives you ultralight options. The Centron Lite is budget-friendly, the left-handed Royale Legend II is perfect for lefties, and the Brutus provides solid performance at an affordable price. Consider your needs and you can't go wrong with any of these choices.